So I'm watching in his rear view mirror, and I do see his eyes down in his lap. I also see him steering in the lane, and I'm not sure why he's doing that, but it does seem a little on the distracted side. And I'm being patient here simply because this is not the best opportunity to come and to catch something. It's still rolling slowly. Oh, he was using a phone. That's a lit up phone screen. I knew you were using your phone. I saw you looking down the whole way along there.
I do apologise.
Anything to say to your boss?
No.
Fair enough. Can't do it, man.
Yeah, I know.
Especially being the train driver you are.
I know, I was just showing my colleague something, it was wrong at the wrong time.
Carry on, mate.
After you.
I'll go once you're ahead. It's safer for me, thank you. And that is officially the first ambulance driver I've caught.